So Kylie, what is that?
A hoo hoo.
A hoo hoop?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. Scoot away from the door a little bit. Right there. Whoa. So what are you doing?
Hoo hooping to try.
Hoo hooping? Oh. That's awesome. Where did you get that?
It was Mama.
What? You got lotion?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. So, where did you get that from?
From the store.
From the store? How old are you?
4.
You're 4?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You said I am 4.
Not.
Booty.
No, you're not yet.
I'm just kidding, Mama.
So how old are you then?
3.
3? When's your birthday?
Tomorrow because I know I need to try how to hoop so I can be bigger.
Yeah, you're a big girl now? And what kind of party are you going to have?
Mermaid.
A mermaid party? Ooh, what are we going to have at your party?
Cake, party hat, stuff, and all the presents from Santa.
Oh, Santa brings you presents for your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh.
And yesterday was my birthday with Chucky yesterday.
Yesterday you had a birthday at Chuck E. Cheese? I don't remember that.
Why?
Where was I? Was I there?
Uh-uh.
No? Who was there?
Daddy and you.
Oh.
And Ashley too.
Oh.
Ashley, come and bite at me.
What about Oma? Is she coming to your birthday?
Yeah.
And who else?
Yesterday was my ladybug birthday and Oma didn't come.
Oma didn't come to that one?
The ladybug one?
Uh-huh.
No, she didn't. She was in her house.
Oh. What about your mermaid party? Is she going to come to that one?
Sure. At the water.
At the water? Do you want her to come?
Yeah.
Show me how you hoo-hoop one more time.
Okay, Mama.
Wow. All right, say bye.
No.
Say bye to the camera. Oh, I know what you can do. You can sing me your song.
Yeah.
Your woman song.
I feel like a woman. Ah! I keep falling.
Sing the song. Du- 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 du. You are so silly. Sing it for real. Do Oppa Gangnam Style. Okay, I'm not going to videotape you if you're not going to do it. Are you going to do it? You're so silly. Okay, say bye. I'm turning this off. Yeah, because you're not singing me your songs.
What I'm gonna start it's maybe what I'm gonna start.
What about the other one? Man.
I feel like a woman.
I can't understand you.
The girls need a regular.
Okay, say bye.
No.
Yeah, say bye so I can turn it off. I'm going to make you your macaroni. Say bye.
Macaroni?
Yeah. Say bye, wave. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Do this.